In this video, I will show you how to quickly convert positive numbers to negative in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here, I have an Excel sheet where I have received some transaction data from an application. But the numbers here are mentioned as positive numbers instead of negative. Now, what I want to do is to convert all these positive numbers to negative numbers. There is a very simple trick to do that. I am going to type -1 in this cell. You can choose any empty cell you want. Then select the cell containing the -1 number and copy it using the Ctrl+C shortcut. Now select the range of cells containing the positive numbers you want to convert to negative values. Now click the paste menu and select the paste special option. Now select the multiply option from the paste special window. This will multiply all the positive numbers we selected by -1 and thus change the values from positive to negative. Click the OK button to close the window. As you can see, we now have all the numbers converted to negative values. We can now delete the cell containing the -1 value. This trick works only if you have all the positive numbers. If you have positive and negative numbers in the same column, doing this will make the negative numbers positive due to the multiplication by -1 value like this. Use this formula if you have both positive and negative numbers in the same column and you want to convert positive numbers to negative but do not want negative numbers to become positive. Here we are checking if the number is less than 0. If yes, we are returning the same number, but if it is not, we are returning the negative value of the cell, thus converting the positive number to negative. Copy this formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have all the positive numbers converted to negative, but the negative numbers remain negative. To convert these cells as values instead of the formulas, copy and paste them as values like this. Watch this video to learn how to quickly separate positive and negative numbers in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.